2 lighters. Somebody got another lighter?
Your mom, yeah, outside.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
You ready?
Hold on, I gotta
Okay, give me
grab
another lighter.
it.
This wonderful 4th of July festive fondant cake.
It's crazy. It's a cool cake, Mom. Now to light the house on fire. Come on, Tasha.
I gave mine to, Tammy.
Well, then Ron got it.
Oh, wrong guy, okay.
You know what,
Brown
could
one?
you?
Okay, Ron's is brown, mine is yellow.
Take a candle.
Same way, you take one, I'll take the other, stick them in a candle, and stick them in there. Is that worse?
It's gonna be, yeah, it might be.
Oh my God, shoes have run out to the truck and moved it.
I'm gonna get these away from the, we don't need a chain reaction.
That's a really cool looking thing.
I know, Mom, you did a great job.
There was a point in the process that Sean and I both thought that it was just, the whole thing was going in the trash.
Yeah, seriously.
We were not convinced it was gonna come together.
It did though. You can't
It
get it
did.
perfect. Here, Tasha.
Thought we were doing it at the same time.
Well, yeah, it's all
You
good.
wanna get the kids? and let
Honey?
them see it?
What?
Yeah? All
You
right,
wanna get 'em?
go.
Well, I can watch the video. Yeah.
That is so cool.
I think we might have fire.
Yeah, I think so too.
Did you get it, Rachel?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.